Do you love music, performing, composing, playing an instrument or singing? Turn your passion into a future with the Bachelor of Music at Waikato.
Here, you don't just learn about music, you live it. Whether you're learning the works and studying them of the great masters, or learning to create them, or performing on stage, we'll help you find your voice.
Choose between performance, where our high-profile professionals offer one-to-one tuition, collaborative classes and regular stage experience, or composition, where you'll be guided by experts in the field to write original music, explore music tech, and bring your ideas to life.
What I love most about studying at Waikato is the support and encouragement I receive as a young singer. The music department is like a whānau, where you're guided and inspired every step of the way. Here we live by this whakatauki. Whakaritea te ara I te paitawhiti, kia tūtiki ai ngā moemoeā. Prepare the path to the distant horizons so your dreams may be achieved.
One of our graduates now composes music for film scores, sound design for video games, and continues to work as a composer of contemporary art music. The composition stream gave him the skills and the confidence to build a career doing what he loves.
Are you ready to fine-tune your talent? Make music with us. This is your time. This is your place. Apply now for the Bachelor of Music.